Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video I'm going to do a review, first impression, and make a tutorial on the new Colourpop Disney Designer collection. So I have the eyeshadow palette and the lipstick. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, click subscribe and a notification bell so you don't miss any new video. First thing, I absolutely love the packaging on this eyeshadow palette. It is so beautiful. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 6 of the princesses. Ariel, I forgot what's her name. Long time I haven't seen her movie. Ariel, Belle, Jasmine, Cinderella, Snow White. So pretty. I love it. Love the packaging, and I love the fact that it's thin. It's a thin packaging, and I love it. It's so cute, and I freaking love this thing. And another look at this gorgeous palette with all the Disney princesses, and then when you open it, it has all the princesses stars, and it comes with 15 shades, and it has all their signatures: Jasmine, Cinderella up top. And then when you close it, it's very sleek, and then in the back it has like all the names of the shadows. I love this thing. And another thing that I got is I got the Belle Lipstick. I love the packaging on this too. It is so pretty. And then when you open it, it has like a sleek gold packaging. Then it has like all the names of the princesses, which is so cute. All the names of princesses. These products are this eyeshadow palette, and this is very limited edition. You have to get it while supplies last. I don't know if they're sold out now, but you definitely have to hurry up and check. And if they have an email notification, please go right away. And I love the packaging. This eyeshadow palette retails for $20, and this lipstick retails for $7. So these are like great affordable. So altogether it's $27, and then with shipping, they didn't have free shipping, but I paid like $32 total for both of these with the tax and the shipping and everything, which is great. I love it, because a lot of eyeshadow palettes, for my opinion, a lot of eyeshadow palettes should be more affordable. A lot of the eyeshadow palettes coming out there like $65, $49, and we need eyeshadow palettes that is like super affordable. Okay, let's go back to this. So I freaking love this lipstick. I love the wine color on this lipstick. It is so beautiful. I love it. It screams for fall, and it's so, oh my god, just freaking love this. And the other shades were like pink, like a mauvey brown shade, but I didn't really want that because I have a lot of that in my makeup collection. So I'm trying to look for more like wine shades, more like dark red shades for the fall now, because I don't have a lot of that in my collection. So that's what I'm doing. So if you guys want to see like a tutorial of me using this Colourpop and this, then let's continue. I prime my lids now with the eyeshadow palette. This is it, and I'm gonna go in with this shade that is called Grumpy. This shade right here called Grumpy. It's like a soft shade. Love it. So I'm using this shade Grumpy for my crease. Taking a little bit more of the Grumpy shade. For my outer corner, I'm going in with this shade that is called Trina. It's like a light brown shade. And this is going to go on my outer corner. A little bit more. For the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to take this shade that is like a gold shade right here. It is called One Kiss, and it's going to go all over my lid. Zoom in a little bit more, and it's gonna go right here, the inner corner. The shadows are very pigmented. Sorry about that. The shadows are super pigmented, and I love it. And I love the matte shade. Now I'm going in with the shimmer shade, which is the gold shade that's called One Kiss. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the gold shade. Now I'm going back to my crease brush again and taking the first shade that we used that was called Grumpy, like a light brown shade, and that's gonna go on my crease so it can make everything look even and nice. So I'm going back to Grumpy. I love this gold shade. See, it's so pretty. Now for the brow bone, I'm going to take this shade right here that is called Ray. That's going to go on my brow bone. And that gold shade is like a light gold shade, but I love it for the brow bone. See how pigmented is it? A lot just came off the brush. So that's one thing about this eyeshadow palette, is it can be super pigmented, but you definitely have to come in with a light hand, because look what I just did. For the lips, I bought Belle Lipstick. Look in the package, it's so adorable, right? So I bought it, and the shade I got is this like wine color. It is such a beautiful color. I love it for the fall. That's why I bought it. It's so pretty for the fall now. So I'm gonna try this on and want to see. Wow, as I was swatching it, it was so creamy and whatnot, but I want to see how it looks like on my lips, how it feels on my lips. So let's see. Wow, it is very creamy. It's not matte. It's not matte whatsoever. I love the creaminess. It definitely like hydrates your lips, very moisturizing on your lips, very creamy, very buttery, and I just love it. I love it. I have no problems with it. Like it. It is not sticky or nothing. I just freaking love this stuff. Wow, and the color looks so pretty on me. I love this color, especially great for the fall. Like they had like other lipsticks too, like for Cinderella, Jasmine, and what's the other ones? Ariel, all of them, but I didn't want those colors. I wanted something that like represent the fall now, so that's why I went with Belle, because Belle was the only one with this beautiful color for the fall now. Love this color so much, and this is the shade, well, Belle. It has no other shade, but it's Belle, so this is Belle shade. And these are limited edition, so you gotta get it before they are gone. And if they are still gone, there might be a thing that you put your email in so they can notify you. I'm not sure, because after I finished purchasing this on Colourpop website, I never went back to find out if they had those things that you put your email to for Colourpop to notify you. I have no idea, but I love it. It's so beautiful and I love it. Okay, so before we go, I'm going to go back to this beautiful Colourpop designer palette. Those princesses are so pretty on the palette. I love this palette so much, and I love the fact that I have all these names. So I'm going to go to my waterline, and I'm going to use the same shades that I use, which is Grumpy, Chun, and a little bit of this One Kiss Gold shade is going to be on my lower lash. Then I'm going to apply a few coats of mascara. Then a little bit of the gold shade. more. Okay, that I am done. Now I'm gonna take a couple of mascara and gonna like do a couple of strokes on my lower lash. And this mascara is from Sleek Makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my review and make tutorial swatches on this Colourpop Disney Designer Collection palette and the lipstick. So please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell, because I don't want you guys to miss out on all the videos, all the fun. There will be more makeup tutorials, more first impressions, and yada yada yada. So I'll upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I'll see you in my next video.